Hello, virtual learners. I'm glad you are watching this. I need to tell you that I will be out on Wednesday and Thursday due to our certification test that I must take, but I do have some expectations for you to follow. They include, for my face-to-face learners, you must show respect to the substitute teacher every single day. And all my learners, you will work independently, finish and submit all daily assignments on Schoology. Your daily activities from Tuesday, October 20th to Thursday, October 22nd will include the warm-up, the Ed puzzle about Mask of the Red Death. There are 3 different Ed puzzles, so make sure that you complete each one every single day. And then the questions about the Mask of the Red Death. We have chunked up the reading for you, and each and every single day you're going to have a different section and a different set of questions that you must answer. So make sure that you're doing it on a daily basis. Finally, you will answer any discussion boards if any are available for that day. If you are done with all the activities, you will work on missing assignments or read a virtual book via the MAB library. I do want to remind you that Friday, October 23rd is our end of unit test. So make sure that you review the following vocabulary and you understand what they are and how to use them. You will need to review theme, third person point of view, characters' motives, main idea, how to compare and connect to text, claim, counterclaim, consensus, call to action, audience, argument, pathos, ethos, and logos. Pretty much everything we have covered so far. Now, on the day of the test, it will only be open during your class period. It will open at the beginning of the class period and close once class is over, so for 45 minutes. Face-to-face learners must be present on campus to be able to take it. Virtual learners must log into Zoom during your class period. That means that all students from all classes will attend class that day to be able to take the test. So make sure that you make the proper arrangements to be present in class. That is the expectation again for Friday, October 23rd for the end of unit test. I will miss you greatly. I know you will make me proud with your behavior and by completing and submitting all daily work. See you soon.